Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that helps you make smarter purchasing decisions. In today's video, we have two outdoor security cameras that will keep your home safe and sound. On the left, we have the SimpliSafe wireless outdoor security camera, and on the right, we have the ieGeek security camera. Now let's dive into the comparisons and find out which one is the best fit for you. When it comes to camera quality, both products have impressive features. The SimpliSafe camera offers a 1080p resolution and an 8x zoom, allowing you to see even the tiniest details. On the other hand, the ieGeek camera takes it up a notch with a 2K QHD video quality, providing 1.5 times more detail than traditional 1080p cameras. It's like watching a blockbuster movie in your own backyard. Now let's talk about battery life. The SimpliSafe camera doesn't require any wiring and can be easily set up in just 5 minutes. It's powered by a rechargeable battery, ensuring that you won't miss a single moment of action outside your home. However, the ieGeek camera takes convenience to the next level with its 100% wireless design and a professional rechargeable battery. Plus, it's equipped with AI and PIR motion detection, so you'll receive real-time alarm notifications when someone approaches your property. Who says the night is dark and full of terrors? Both cameras offer impressive night vision capabilities. The SimpliSafe camera boasts color night vision with a spotlight, allowing you to see clearly in the darkest of nights. But wait, the ieGeek camera also steps its game with 2 PIR LEDs and 2 white lights, giving you a 33 feet color night vision range. Say goodbye to blurry shadows and hello to a well-lit and secure environment. Now let's talk about the features and warranty. The SimpliSafe camera offers a 140° field of view, ensuring you never miss a thing happening outside your home. It also provides alerts whenever someone approaches your property. On the other hand, the ieGeek camera comes with the ieGeek Cam app, which offers tons of free features and even supports Alexa. Plus, it has IP65 waterproofing, making it withstand rain and snow effortlessly. And here's the cherry on top. It comes with free cloud storage and a 2-year warranty. The SimpliSafe wireless outdoor security camera and the ieGeek security camera have received positive reviews from customers. Let's take a look at what some of them have to say. Alright, it's decision time. Both the SimpliSafe wireless outdoor security camera and the ieGeek security camera have their own strengths. If you value a 1080p resolution, easy setup, and color night vision, then the SimpliSafe camera might be the one for you. However, if you're looking for higher video quality, AI and PIR motion detection, and a feature-packed app, then the ieGeek camera takes the lead. Remember, it's all about finding the right fit for your needs. We hope this comparison helped you make a smarter purchasing decision. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. The links to both products are in the description. Thanks for watching and see you next time on Buy Smart.